Okay guys, I've had a lot of questions about creating a form in Google Drive, so I want to do a really quick tutorial on how to do it. We're going to make this as quick as possible. Basically, if you have a Gmail account, you can access this Google Drive. If you sign into Gmail, you can go up here to this little square up here, click on it, and it has all of your Google apps. So make sure you click on Drive, and that will bring on this dashboard, which is basically everything that it's a place where you can save all of your documents and forms, and people can share different things with you, and it's a nice little online storage. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a form. Over here, go to create and just scroll on down to form. It's going to give you template options. So let's go down, let's do white poppies, hit OK. Let's go ahead and name the form. I'll just name it test. And then it's going to give you a bunch of question options. So we're going to make it super simple. We're going to start with a name question. If you go down, it says question type. You have a text, which is just a small text box. A paragraph text is a larger text box. Multiple choice, text, check boxes, not checks. Choose from a list, and scale, grid, date, and time. So you can play around with all of those, but they're basically normal question types. We'll just do a text box for name. I want it to be a required question, so they can't submit their form until they answer this question. So I check the required question and then click done. So there's my question. Now, if you have to change it, you just go over here to the little pencil, click edit, and it'll pop it up like we just saw it. Fix what you need to fix, and then done again. If you want to make the same type of question, just hit duplicate. The same exact thing will pop up. You can just change it to something else. Email address, same thing, required, done, and there it is. Now, if you need to delete something, you made a mistake, or you just don't want that question in there, just go on over to the trash can, click delete. Okay? At the bottom here, after you've done all your questions, it says confirmation page. This is the page that jumps up after they have submitted their form. So I usually change it and personalize it a little bit. Thank you. Looking forward to working with you. Talk to you soon. And then I don't usually check any of these boxes. Show link to submit another response. If they want to resubmit something, they can change the responses here, or you can publish and show a link to the results for everyone to see the results. I usually am doing forms that have people's names on them, so I don't ever show the results to other respondents. So I'm going to unclick that. And when you're finished, you can go ahead and send the form. It's going to pop up a link that you can use, copy and paste it to share it with anybody. You can embed that link into websites. You can also email it directly to people. If you don't want to do any of that right now, just click done, and it will now show up in your dashboard. So if I just close that out and go back to my dashboard, there it is. It's an untitled form because I didn't title it in that first window. But if you click on it, it's going to bring up the version where you can edit it again. So I'm going to go ahead and fill it out. If you go up here to view live form, when you fill it out, oh my gosh, I cannot type, and hit submit, there's your screen. Thank you. Close that out, and now you see it says one response. So if I click that response and hit summary responses, it's going to show you the summary. There's my name, that's it. Close that out, hit response, choose response destination. That way I want to make a spreadsheet. So I'm going to call it test responses, create, and now when I go to responses, I can view responses, and it'll show it in a spreadsheet form. So this is a great way to keep track of email addresses, names, phone numbers, street addresses, stuff like that. And it's a nice way to kind of see everybody's response and compare them all at once as well. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. The one thing I want to make sure is when you go up here and click responses, make sure before you send it to anybody that it says accepting responses. If it does not, you're going to need to change that and make sure you have a destination for your responses. Okay, so I hope that helped everybody. Go ahead and feel free to contact me if you have any questions about it. You can always email me at andrea.shoulders@gmail.com. Thank you.